Looks like they have quite a lot of wildlife here with birds. Here you can see a moorhen, and carpfish. So there are fishes. I'm surprised, fishes in the marina here. So we have Zizi. If you walk along the marina front, you have a cafe, hairdresser here. It's basically for people also living on the boats, I guess. There's the Red Bridge there and the Tower Hotel there. Gorman Hotels, GLH. And far down there is the Dickens Inn, the Black Barn House. So you have a coffee shop, Amelia's Pasta. Gastropub. Is that Greek? Is it Greek? Greek food? Turkish food.
Looks good actually.
Yeah, smells nice. Down here as well, they have at the back.
Yeah, he said this is the way to the tube.
Oh, okay. So, Traders Wine Bar, Mulberry, so quite a few here. And we're going to the tube station, Tower Hill, this way.